guys can see that, but there's this Samsung TV at the Vatican. It's crazy. Okay, to finish my tour of the Vatican, I'm going to climb 520 steps to the top of St. Peter's Basilica. Hopefully get a nice view of Rome, which is supposedly the highest point in Rome is at the top of this, so let's check it out. Okay, I'm going to attempt to walk all 15 stories of steps to the top. Let's see what we got. Here we go. Let's say that was a pretty cool tour. I'll tag in the name of our tour guide, Elaine. She was really cool. Good little tour to do. I would not recommend doing the Vatican without a paid tour though. You would definitely not know half of what was going on. The place is so huge. But back to the climb. Whoo-wee, getting there. I tell you what, let's see. I'm not quite there yet, but here's the view from that's where I'm attempting to get to right there. Ooh-wee. Sometimes I forget I'm 53 years old. I just always think that I'm like 33. But I forget that I'm not, so. Rude reminder, that I'm getting old. I think I was deceived. I thought I was done, but I was not done. Oh, wow. Okay, almost there. I think these are the steps I were talking about, not the ones I was going up. This even got me a little tired. Let's get some view. Holy cow. My legs are tired. Look at that, there's Rome. Okay, my old ass made it. On the way down. Let's have it. Okay, I'm on a quest for some food. We're going deep into the Italian city. You know, my videos of police and ambulances and cops seem to be every town.
Fish